Welcome to Krea AI tutorial.
Krea is very good artificial intelligence tools that can help us to generate the very good quality of the images. And it's not only one tool, it's combined of many different tools. So remember this website, Krea.ai. So when you're landing, you will see there are about 5 different portions of this tool. So first is a real-time generation. So in these tools, you can create images by text or painting. And another is upscale and enhance. So these tools can help you to upgrade and upscale your old images to brand new and high qualities of the image. This is wonderful, right? So never waste any of your images. And besides these two big major tools, we have 3 small apps. So AI patterns I will introduce later, and logo illusions, which can hide your logo inside of the illusions, inside of another illustration. Amazing. And then we have this one. This is called animated diff. So this can help you to generate amazing videos, but right now it's on maintenance. Already been months, I think. So beside that, we can create a Krea Studio, which means you can start to work on a project that can share with your friend, and you can even train your AI models. I already introduced that tools in previous videos. You can try to follow it. All right. So let's click here, and you can use your email to create an account or use your Google account. This is your choice. So here, you can create your account. When you finish creating your account, you will land to another dashboard, which is Krea dashboards. Okay, let's go to this one here. Yeah. So this is a default dashboard of the Krea. You will see 2 objects and a background, and also a chat box. And in the right hand and left hand, we have different tools. And in the upper side, we have 3 buttons and a tangle button. Yeah. So let's try to remove this eclipse. Wow. So once I move it, the image on our right is changing, and we can change the AI strength. So when this when we drag this selector to left, it will more like our artboard, and when we drag the AI strength selector to right, it will more take more reference to our prompts. So here is a chat box that we can write our prompts. And let me change another prompt later. Yeah, basically this is a combination of our artboard and the prompts. And you can go back your former status by click here, and you can click the trash bin icon to clean all the artboard. All right, so I already cleaned this artboard. There's nothing left. Okay, so it will generate real-time image according to our artboard and the chat box. All right, let me write down a little boy playing basketball. And now we need to draw a boy with a basketball. So this is all the tools that we need. We have a selector, we have a background color selector. So let me change the background to white and use a you can use a shape tool, or you can use this generator tool. So if you click the generator, and you can use another generator inside of this artboard. And here is very important tools. That's a color selector. Let me change the color more like the skin. Yeah. So here is the alpha channel. So controls the transparency. Okay. And then we have the brush size tools. Okay. Let me have a quick draw. This is a man, yeah, a little boy. And change the color so we can draw the jersey and the pants of this little boy. Yeah, let me draw a basketball for you. Okay, here we are. But check the right side and the left side is very similar, right? So we need to change the alpha strength so that AI can create images more like our prompts. Yeah, this is nice, right? Because now it's selected to the portrait or by default. So this image is more like the real human, and we can click here to overlay this image and our artboard. So this is a quite new feature. You can change the alpha channel, which is the transparency. And now when we use the selector to change the position of our basketball, what happened? Let me change it for you. It will be a little bit slow. Yeah, that's right. So it will in real time generate the images according to our artboard, and we can control our artboard in real time, which is really crazy, right? So in the past, all the artificial intelligence tools cannot do that. You cannot do it in Midjourney or Stable Diffusion, but in Krea, you can editing your image in real time. This is really a game changer. And click here. That can change the seed, which means if you're not satisfied with the image that's created by artificial intelligence, you can ask artificial intelligence to change another image for you. So you can adjust the image, and you can change the transparency. You can click when hovering, it appears. So now it's just more like animation, right? So I can editing this in real time. And I don't need to see my artboard. So click here, we have a quick render or quick enhance to check the image. And now we can download it or send it to enhance. So which means I can finish our process of creating image now, or we can continue proceed a better quality. So right now it's like 100 pixels of this image, right? So we can looking for higher qualities. Click here, send this image to Enhancer. So inside of the Enhance page, we have more stuff to editing. So first is the prompts. We can change the prompts, and we can ask AI to change it to different dimensions like 2K, 4K, 8K. Yeah, this represent the different quality of the images. And we can change the style and also AI strength. Remember, if the value become bigger and the image might be a little different from our original image. And now we click the enhance. Then we usually take 1 or 2 minutes because this requires calculating. All right, let's wait. This is a pretty long process, right? Yeah, I think the AI image generator, the most hard part is waiting. All right. While waiting, let me introduce another functionalities. So below here, we can see 3 or 4 images, right? So that is your history records. So if you didn't download your image, but you want to find it back, you can try to find it here. And besides this, there are 3 different buttons to change the view means. Okay, we are here. So, wow, this is really amazing, right? Check the quality of this image and check the fingers. This little boy have 5 fingers, which is correct, right? So we can download it, then check the dimension. I think it's like 200 dimension. Yeah, and we can view side by side. Check the quality. That's amazing. So basically, we can use this in any poster or print it out or use it in the websites, mobile, anywhere you like. And the pixels already been double. We have like 200, 2000 of the pixels for this image. Originally, we only have like 1000. Yeah, so basically we draw a very ugly image and Krea help us to create our intention to a very nice image. You see, before we started, I already tried Midjourney for quite a while, and I generate a lot of images. And I'm a paid member of Midjourney, and there are some prompts I already saved for today. And let's try one by another. I recalled in last video I introduced there are 4 ways to generate images. Let's introduce one by another. First is text to image, which means you give the artificial intelligence a paragraph of the text and AI will help you to generate. And here's our magic word. Wow, already done. That is pretty fast. Basically, this is a prompt that I use for commercial for sports brand. And you can see if we add a Nike logo here, it will be a perfect poster, right? And this is a city girl playing basketball inside of the empty streets. Basically, that is what the prompt says. And if the customer or our dear clients don't like it, what shall we do? We click here. This is called a random seed. Another try. Ah, nice. Oh, this is a cute. Let's try another. Yeah. This is a girl trying to slam dunk. Okay. All right. But you might find some image in some images already generates. The face is not perfect. So when we click the quick enhance, it will fix the face. Yeah, I think this one is already close enough. Let's give another try. And let's enhance it. Oh, this is not happy looking. Oh, we have another arms, which is what we don't want. Give another try. This might be better. All right, I think we have a winner. I like this one, trying to slam dunk. And then we can download it, like what I mentioned before, or we can send to the enhance and upscale to have a better quality. Okay. And what is more? Let's try this one. This one I already tried in Midjourney. Pretty cool. And let's enhance it a little bit. Nice. Okay, we can download it. Yeah, or you can change the seed. Then we have another style, or we can change to illustration. Nice, right? This is really amazing how fast this Krea works. And this robot can be enhanced as well, and we can add more detail, or we can use this image to image to help the artificial intelligence understand what we want, what we really want. And I think I want a robot and holding a sword maybe, and this is a big robot. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about, right? Look, he understand me so well. Immediately understand what I want, and according to our prompts and drafts, Krea generates the image that we are looking for, and we can enhance it and download it. Pretty cool. All right, and we have more prompts. I think there are some websites that can help us to find more prompts, right? This is a girl with white hair, and we can change the style. Give another style. Yeah, pretty fast, right? And let's try another. Oh, this is something special because in Midjourney they have a lot of different styles, and here we only have a five. So in next episode, I'm gonna introduce another feature of Krea, how to design illustration with style. But in this real-time generation of the AI, it cannot. But it's still a very good looking portrait, right? All right, let's try another. Let's see what this can happen. Wow, this is really nice. I love this, the colorful style. And let's give enhance a little bit. Pretty cool, huh? And we can still control this image by image to image. We can have a human stand here. Yeah, we can change the AI strengths. Yeah. Okay, nice. Let's try another. What about this? So this image is used in a website to represent the client services. And this girl is one of the employee is answering client's request. It's pretty nice, and we can change to another style. Let's try this one. Yeah, basically you can have 1,000 of the images at a very short time, and we can enhance them or we can control them. We can control, and we can tell our dear artificial intelligence what we want. Let's try this. So I need a client service employee with the earphone and answering the phone maybe. Let's change the AI strings. Yeah, not like that. Let's write. Okay. Yeah, something like that. And we have another computer here that she is working. Oh, you understand me. Thank you. This is what I want. This is what I'm looking for.
And let's give an enhancement. Yeah, this is what I want. Thank you. And maybe we can change the style as well. Oh no! No, what? We don't want a devil hand. So let's change the seed. Yeah, this is better. Okay, then we can download it, or we can send to enhance and upscales to help us get the best quality of the image. Plus, we have this screen to image, which can generate our image according to our windows. What is Windows? Windows as like Photoshop or Illustrator that you currently design. So you can reflect all the windows like Photoshop or something inside of our Krea. Okay, so I don't have any, so we cannot demonstrate it. But if we have a Photoshop, we can use it here. And I think in the next episode, I will also cover how to use Photoshop and iPad to collaborate together. And okay, so this is camera. Your image will be here according to our cameras inside of our laptop. And so as long as I can perform in front of my computer, I will get a lot of different images. Or I can be cute, let's see, cute. Then, now I'm not human, I'm a cat. And I can move. And if I want to delete it, we can click the select tool and click the trash bin. Then it will be gone. And I think basically that's it. That is the 4 ways to generate image inside of a Krea. And we already covered the different tools like the select tools and the shape tool and the image tool, and we have the brush tool and the background tool, right? So basically now you'll have a basic understand of all the tools and the all the styles and the enhancements.
It supports 1024 level real-time generative models. This is very powerful. Before you know it, in fact, there is a little bed the scene to tell you. That is, when everyone pays for it. Here it is. Be sure to pay attention when paying. Is this the annual payment? Many friends think it's a month's money. Then pay. I see a lot of people in disco complaining about this. He accidentally bought the entire membership of the year. Then I accidentally stepped on the pit too. So let me tell you. Okay, after paying the money, we can use it. That's right, there is a fee for this function, but the effect is still okay. Take a look for everyone. Then our previous tutorial has explained it for you. The basic functions of Krea. Like the way it's generated. Some of it. Green, this is the type, right? Some of it. Image style. And one of its enhanced features. Then here we can go to paint. Then generate a picture, right? Is there a new option now? Let's start with words to explain to you. First of all, we can drag it. The position of the entire panel can be changed because many people have different ones. Job requirements. What about here? We enter one as usual, prompt. Enter a prompt word. Like what? Then we add a game, like Cyberpunk. Yeah. Well, we can add some more of this style we like. Okay, let's update this image. Okay, so what about, for example, where we're generating images in real time? In fact, the previous function, like images, and here's a concept, just a concept illustration. We need to click on this quick update to make the picture more realistic. We want to get a bigger size. You need to click this to send to enhance and upscale. Right, that's what I explained to you before. Is this cartoon style?
Well, actually, there is an even more powerful function. We don't need to do too complicated operations. Let's click on this latest one called HD. What about its pixels? It will directly pull to a higher level. That's 1024, a real-time HD generation. Then we actually had this preview picture before. This pixel is relatively low. Then let's click this. If this is selected, that's its function. In the future, the generated pictures will be real-time, very real. We can also enhance, so we get a much higher resolution picture. Then this picture has been reached 1024. That is, we can directly use it at work. Then if you are not satisfied with it, we can click here to send it to the enhanced page. Then in enhance, we can upgrade it to, for example, 2048 and so on, higher this pixel level. But this, it's one of his clarity. It's enough for me, to many friends. If you are doing it, this internet design, it's actually enough. So actually, in addition to that, the latest Krea has a magical function. That is, it can be electroplated. So we all know we have a really good picture, such as your own photos, or it is an image that we have generated. So we would prefer the generation to be based on this image. So we can perform an electrocardiogram function on this image. Just click here, and then we upload after we upload the previously generated images, what should we do next? Drag this value. If its number is greater, it will be closer to the image we uploaded. If the number were smaller, it will reduce one of them. An impact on our pictures. It's still very interesting, isn't it? We can use this function to be able to be more authentic. Generate more delicate images. What happens after we click Enhance? This way, you can send this image to our Enhance page. Because I didn't save the previous pictures, so here you can see its record. Here we can see our original image. We can also upload our photos at the same time, and then proceed to enhance. You can enter your prompt here. And then here we can adjust the pixel value we want. So the lowest is 2048. So you can use a very high resolution image. So here, actually, it is not recommended to use too large a size because it doesn't actually have any practical use. It's just like in life, generally speaking, like in 2000. It should be like this 4000. The picture already meets the requirements of high definition. And then here we can choose some styles. For example, this picture, or our digital art, and so on. More or less the same as before. Let's choose none first, and then turn down the AI strength a little bit, because our original pictures are already good enough. I don't want it to make more changes to the face. There is also the resemblance of strength here. We can also turn it down a little here. Negative prompts are a set of negative keywords for it. We can write about something like 6 fingers. For example, some of the bad words like facial collapse and so on. Just avoid it. Okay, let's click on Enhance now. And then we just wait. That's because the version I bought is basic. So there's actually a higher Pro. There is also a higher level version of it. So their speeds are all different. So this is a very discriminatory plan. Yes, the waiting time for basic may be a little longer. Let's be patient. Okay, we have now generated it. Let's take a look. This is before its enhancement. And then after enhancement. Well, it's all very well detailed, huh? The texture of its skin, including the city behind it. The layers of the hair are already good. So we can download it. In this way, we get an image with a resolution of 2048. This can basically be used as a wallpaper. It's very fun to play the game. And then we can also regenerate it. And then there's no problem with that. It is mainly to pay attention to this AI strength. And then there's a negative prompt, and we prompt. It will affect the final image we get. Upgrade it then. What else? Our new version also includes a rating system. This is quite interesting.
This is a brand new interface, and let me upload very low pixel-based image. They only have like 500 pixels, and you can see the image is almost blur. And in the brand new enhancer, we have a lot of the controls. Like we can control the AI strength or the clarity and color correction and even style. And in style, I use a photorealistic. But if you are fond of the digital arts or cartoon products, you can choose. You can try that as well. So here I will choose a photorealistic, and you can change the dimension. The dimension is here. So basically, original the original image only have uh 512 pixels, so we can double it or triple it. Then let me try to double the dimension for this, and you basically can change the color, use a color correction if you are uploading a very old photo, and you can use an negative prompts to avoiding the bad scenarios like the six fingers or something else. Okay, here we are. So usually the prompts will come out, but this time I, I'm not gonna wait for the prompts to come out, but you can try in your end. When you upload the image, it will automatically write a prompt for you. Okay, now we are here. So this is a very blurred image, and in our right side, this is a brand new, very clear, very vivid image that's already been enhanced by Krea. This is wonderful, right? So in the new interface, you can drag the artboard and you can download it or change the way that preview. So we can side by side or overlay and check the image. This is wonderful. You can download it. So basically, this is how you enhance your image, and you can try with your old photo or the image already generated by Krea or some other artificial intelligence tool. And this is quite amazing. So imagine this, you have a very low blur image that you want to use in your website or in your design, and you have nothing else to do it. So you start using the Krea and you get brand new and very high resolution of this image. Amazing, right? And you can even try to change the color, change the style of this image. Okay.
And I think this feature is quite awesome, but I'm afraid you need to pay for this feature and become a Krea membership. This will cost you like $20 per month, and then you can create your own studio projects. And this is mine. Let's click it and open it. So inside of this, and basically if you are a Figma user, you will be familiar with it's quite similar to FigJam, like 100% same. And here you can share this this whiteboard with your friend, and you can collaborate with your friend, and they can leave comments, they can browse. It's quite the same, but here is big different. The generative tools. So inside of this, it is quite similar to Stable Diffusion, if you know what I mean. So here we can type a prompt, like let's type like a girl with a gun, smile, cool. Okay, and then click AI model. If you already play with Stable Diffusion, and you basically immediately know what I mean, right? So here we have all the AI models, and you can choose one of them. Let's try let's try this one, maybe Luna. It's called Luna. I never tried this before. Let's try it. And then we have another settings called advanced settings. So in advanced settings, you can choose between different dimensions, and you can use negative prompts, which can avoiding many bad results. And there are more like diffusion steps and seeds. So we will save it for later. And let's just change the dimension. And then we can click the generate button, which means you will get the result from this AI model called Luna. Let's see. Isn't it wonderful? They give me 2. So let's click here one by another. And okay, we got this. And let's find it. Oh, it's pretty good, right? And oh, sorry. Oops, I make a mistake. I delayed it. So this is a Krea AI models, and we have my models, which means you can train your models inside of a Krea. You can have your own models. And then we have a community. So this list is super long. You can search, and you can click the start. And when you click the start, and the AI model will be saved, so next time you won't be need to find it in a very long list. And then we can choose another, this AI model, and click the generate. Let's see what it gonna be looks like. Only need 10 seconds. They give me 2. Okay, nice. What about this one? Cute, right? This is 3 little kittens. Cute. And do we have more like this one? The style is very elegant and very fancy. And we also have this fox. It's cute. And not only you can generate the characters, but also you can generate different products and buildings. Okay, let's see this. Oh my god, look at that. I love this. The detailed as well detailed, and the atmosphere is very good. But I would like to see the top of the head, right? I think this is like something already been chopped, right? How can we do that? Click here, and then we have a list of the items. So we can see one by another. First is you can change the style, and then we have a expand. Let's click here, and we need to decide so which path should we go for. So this is from bottom to top. This is what I'm looking for, and click expand. Why there are dragons? Because I was doing some experiments. Please ignore it. Okay, we already have the result, and let's click here, and it will shows up here. Oh, this is not right. What about this one? This is nice. I think this is what I'm looking for. And okay, so we can expand this image with any direction we would like, which is quite familiar if you are a Photoshop user or another AI tools user that can expand images. And then we have upscale. So if you like this image, you can change, you can upscale it with 4 times bigger. So let's click here. And then we have another tools called the make variation, which means you can remix and change the variation of this image. And then we have remove the background. And if you're familiar with Photoshop, you know what I mean, right? So if you have a image that you would like to remove the background, okay, so it's now 4 times bigger, which is nice. And then we can remove the background, and it still need more time to calculating. Okay. Oh, this is a result for change another variation, and this is a remove the background. It's just need more time, right? And this is a boy and a girl talking in a future streets. What about this one? This is better. I like this one. And so now we have a lot of going on here, and it's kind of messy. So let's select all the items inside of our artboard and click your right panel. And here we have this button called Auto Arrange. So basically, it will be this will arrange all the images and by automatically, and then we can easily find the image that I'm looking for. Yeah. Okay, and I think this is quite fun, right? So in the home of the Krea, you will find the entry point for establish your own AI training, and click that. This screen will show up, and you can click here to make this training private. I know some people like training themselves as a AI models, so they don't want to share the AI model. So this can protect our AI model from use by others. But I think only paid member can use this functionality. Okay, then we have a training type. There are 3 types of the training. First is style. So no matter if you want to create a cyberpunk or I don't know, like the illustrations, so you can use this. If you choose a person, usually you need to upload many photos as you can, then you will have your own AI model. So next time if you write a prompt like a boy playing a basketball and click the generate and you use your AI model, then you will see your face. This is pretty cool, right? So many people do that, training their own personal AI model. And then objects. For example, if you're working for a commercial project like the, I don't know, selling vehicles, and most AI models, they don't have the background of the product that you are selling. So if you feed your AI with a lot of images, as many as you can, and then it will understand and it can generate more amazing images of the vehicle that is especially designed for you. And then we can type our title and the description. Then most important is upload the images of your AI model to train the AI. So usually if you train like the person, you need to upload as many as you can the photos of the person, like you or your friend, and you make sure you have their permission. But if you're training the AI model of yourself, you can upload as many as you can. Then it will be more accurate. And then wait for many hours. Then you will see your model inside of the Krea Studio projects. And then that means you're done. How to draw with Krea and using our iPad and Photoshop and our computer. Okay, let's begin. First thing first, make sure you have an iPad and an Apple Pen, and they are connected with the same internet and Bluetooth, and they are using the same Apple account. Make sure the 3 points. Then you will find your iPad inside of this screen mirroring, and then click your iPad, and we are using the iPad at the second monitor, and just put the Photoshop to your iPad like this. And I know you cannot see my iPad screen, but it shows up in our iPad. All right, then click the screen to image, and then we choose the Photoshop from here, and let's drag it until the artboard fully shows up inside of Krea. Okay, now set. Then pick up your Apple Pen and choose the brushes that can allow you using the pressure, which means basically you will have this big and small influence on brush, something like that. Okay, now we can draw, and we already have our prompts inside of the Krea. Basically, this is the same prompts. That's a girl with a basketball. And now let's draw. I want to draw a girl like Michael Jordan. So this is the hand and the basketball of this lady. And this is the clothes. You don't need to be very good at the drawing because AI will help you. That is most excited part. Oh, this is not quite same to my drawing, so let's change the AI strings. And we can change the random seed. Yeah, I think this is more like it. Sometimes the AI have better designs than us, which is fine. Yeah. And I don't think I have time for the sorry. I don't think I have time to join the color, but let's change the color of the jersey to red. Yeah, this is more like it. And then we can enhance it now. Then this is how we working with the iPad and use the Apple Pencil to draw some nice images inside of the Krea. Hey, welcome back. What's up? And today I'm going to introduce a very interesting topic, how to use those apps in Krea. First is AI patterns, then we have logo illusions. Then we will use the images that's generated by them too, then enhance and upscale, get a fantastic masterpiece. Okay, let's begin. First, let me introduce AI patterns, how it works. First of all, we will have prompts, and you can change it, or you can have a random one. Then we can change the patterns, anything by what we want, or we can upload our own. I think this one is fantastic. Yeah, let's use the default one, or we can change to, I'm not sure, this one. Okay, And in the advanced settings, we can change the scale, prompt, and the step and the seed, but no need for now. Okay, let's click the generate and wait for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, down. Then we'll have this beautiful patterns, and we can animate it. Oh, for real? And we can click it to see the detail. Oh, it's pretty nice, right? And we can upscale it by clicking enhance. Then we just click the Control and V to paste the image from our system. Then when it's done, we can click the enhance. Please notice that the AI strings means if do you want AI to recalculate the each pixels, and if we put 0.5, it will be half. But usually in here, I'm go with 0.8. Then for the upscaling factor, I choose 2.0. Okay, then click the enhance. Okay, we can wait for a second. And meanwhile, this is the image that I already created for another pattern. I think this is a secret city, and really mystery, right? It's beautiful, and basically you can save it for your wallpaper. It's pretty nice. Okay, let's wait. Okay, we have a result. Let's see. This is a before, this is after. Oh, this is nice, right? Look at that. Oh man, this is a pretty amazing. We can download this image by clicking the download button. Okay, and what's more? Do we have any thing interesting as well? Yeah, logo illusions. Okay. So basically, we can generate the logo with the phenomenal things, like we can create Nike, and we change our prompt. You can roll the prompt by yourself, and then we can choose this scroll bar from minus logo and plus logo. I'm choosing minus. Then click the generate illusion. Let's see. I think it will fill the demand that every client hope their logo is everywhere and phenomenal, right? Okay, we have a winner. Let's see. This is a river. Pretty nice. Can we have another one? Maybe our client is not satisfied with this image. Let's change our prompt. Okay. All right. Can you see the logo? Oh, this is nice, right? And we can click here, copy image, and click the enhance, then Control or Command V. Then we can change the AI strength and the enhance. Then we will have another beautiful masterpiece and with a benchmark. Let's wait. Okay, guys, we have the winner, and you can see the detail. And this is a logo inside of the thing. Oh my god! So this is pretty nice if you have this image as your proposal. I think your customer will like it. Okay. So basically, that's all for today. And Krea provide us with the AI patterns and logo illusions and animate div. Please, I beg you, please online. Now currently it's under maintenance, and when it's online, I will publish my video. Hopefully, it will be fun. And then we already have the palms. I wrote by myself like a pair of the Nike shoes, Air Jordan, cool shining shoes. Yeah, basically that's it. Then I'm gonna use the color that I preferred. Let's change the size of the brush, and in fact, I'm not quite sure about the shoes, how to design it. I'm not quite sure. I'm thinking about like, yeah, panda, like a panda, right? We will have a eye of panda. I heard that panda Nike shoes are very popular recently, and panda is super cute as well. Yeah, this is my inspiration. And I think I will have the Nike logo if this is a Nike shoes. Sneaker, yeah. And then we will have a white. Let's draw a white color of these shoes. Ah, pretty cool, right? It's not only like the panda, but also they have a sense of the warrior, right? Maybe we can like have a very, yeah. Oh, no. And we can have like something like, maybe something like this. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I would like that strings as well. And I think that's it. Wait, I think I need more color, right? Maybe the background? No. Maybe the little bit red as the decoration. Ah, nice. I like this one. Do you? And yeah, let's change the seed. Change. Oh, this is very much like the Air Jordan 1. I can play it all day. Yeah, hope you enjoy the process as well. Okay, that's it. I think that I have the winner. And let's copy the image and click the enhance. Then paste here. Oh no, something's happening. Okay, and let's try it again. First of all, we need to find the winner. Yeah, this one, nice. Now let's try to save to my desktop, and then we can drag from there. Okay, and we put the AI strength to 0.8 and the upscaling factor to 2.0 and enhance. Now we wait. Okay, everyone, we have the result. I think the result is pretty nice, and I would like to buy this nice shoes. And this is quite amazing, right? How fast that the Korea generates this image super fast, and it's not like cartoon characters. This is a product that actually can be used as a reference. Nice. Okay, now I'm gonna download it and hope you like it. Hey, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also leave your comments. Bye.